Presentation on case study. Poor Sanjay. Case facts. Sanjay Nagpal is a new recruit from a reputed management institute, uh, recruited as a sales trainee in a sales office of a large computer hardware firm located in Chennai. Raghavan is the zone sales manager responsible for overscreening the work of sales officer, field executives, and trainee salesmen, numbering over 50 of three areas, namely Chennai, Bangalore, and Trivandrum. The sales growth of the products in his area was highly satisfactory, owing to the development initiatives taken by respective state governments in spreading computer education.
Raghavan had collected several sales report catalogs and pamphlets detailing the type of office equipments sold by the company for Sanjay's reference. After a short chat with Sanjay, Raghavan assisted him to his assigned desk and provided him with the material collected. Thereafter, Raghavan excused himself and did not return. Meanwhile, Sanjay scanned through the material given to him till 5 p.m. before leaving office.
What do you think about Raghavan training program? Even through the Sanjay Nagpal is a from a reputed management institute. He is new to the company as a sales trainee, and he should be the trainee properly to acquire the knowledge about the company and what the company is doing, what are its product, etc. And is also to improve his skills. But Raghavan as a zone sales manager, he did not give a mentor for the Sanjay. Instead, he directly assigned the work to the Sanjay. The because lack of skills Sanjay have involved in a scanning and material given by Raghavan. And in generally, if training is not given, there will be no improvement in the performance of Sanjay, and even the company productivity will come down.
What type of sales training program would be you suggest? As Sanjay is beginning newly recruited trainee, he must be given the and center level training. Sanjay should be placed under the particular supervisor who functions as coach or mentor and provides the feedback to Sanjay work. If get this entry level programming, he will be the having basic understanding, but he role concept and company products and understands understand relation involved in the job.
What method of training would have been best under the circumstances? Could you consider on-the-job training, simulation of experiential method? The method suitable for training would be on-the-job training as well as off-the-job training. In on-the-job training, trainee is placed on a specific job and taught the skills and knowledge necessary to perform it. Since the nature of the Sanjay job sales hands and experience is must for gaining the experience of the job. Initially, in the training period, Sanjay should be given the task from easy to though condition. In off the job training, we can use the classroom training where the lecturers are involved and they will give all the details about the company products, and even here Sanjay can clear all the doubts also regarding the company. Also, simulation method can also be used where the original work atmosphere is created. Any Sanjay will get the knowledge. This way of training would help him to gain the experience and have all the knowledge about this role also. This helps in the company productivity. Thank you.